Hello everyone, today I will show you how to start learning crochet for beginner. First, you need a yarn, whatever yarn you have, like this, and a crochet hook. Usually the hook will be larger than the size of the yarn to make the process easier. A scissor, a sewing needle. There are two ways to hold the hook. Hold it like a knife, like this, and hold it like a pen. Hold it like a pen like this. For yarn, wrap a loop of yarn on your little finger and over the top of the index finger. Do it again. To create a knot, use the shorter yarn to wrap a clockwise circle with the short yarn under the long yarn, like this. Do it again. So we have a circle in the middle finger, like this. Next, to make a knot, we pass the hook through the circle. Take a yarn and pull the yarn through the circle like this. Okay, we do it again. Make a circle. Take a yarn and pull it over. The most basic crochet stitch is chain stitch. Loop under the yarn, wrap the yarn and pull it through the knot. Let it chain. Once again, we do it 8 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks so good. Next, we learn single crochet. Make one chain stitch. To create height in the next row, we skip one, let crochet hook. Second, like this. We get to loop on the crochet hook, take a yarn and pull through both. So we get one single crochet and do it again. And once again. Take a chain and pull through both. We have 1, 2, 3 single crochet. We do it 7 times. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make the next row, we create one chain stitch and turn around and repeat until you are mastered it. Okay, I'm complete with 3 rows. Cut the yarn and use the sewing needle to hide the yarn. The next is half double crochet. You also create a chain, make 2 stitches. To create hind for the next row, you skip 2, make a loop on the hook, insert on the 3rd stitch, take a yarn. We have 3 loops, take a yarn and pull it on over like this. Make a loop, insert the next stitch, take a yarn and pull it through all over. And repeat that 8 times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Continue by making 2 chain stitches and turn around and continue to it until you master it. Insert, take a yarn and pull through all. Okay, I'm done. I have showed you 3 crochet stages in the series of video on learning to crochet. And see you again in the next video. Goodbye.